TALOFA LAVA, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday here in Samoa. Special fatal to Ainga members. Woke up not too long ago. It's around 7:30 now, so a bit behind schedule, but because it was raining last night and in the morning as well, so that's cool. But today is no umu today. Gonna do another saka just because, you know, so I don't know, we're just trying to, you know, keep it simple again. So hope you guys enjoy our menu today. It'll be mostly beef. Think we'll do steak and then possibly another stir fry. But we'll try to use our cattle meats we had in the fridge, guys. So we're gonna use that cattle meat for our food today. So hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. We'll see you guys soon. Guys, so the saka is now on. I'm going to leave it to Siave, but I need to head and start chopping up the meat. Okay, so we've got our cattle leg there. I'm going to get some meat off of it for our Sunday tonight. Alright, so we've got our meat pieces here. I've broken down the cattle leg into 3 pieces. The ankle given for the dogs, did a good job this week, so might as well give it to them. And then the other piece put in the fridge. I took off some cuttings here, but this one will break it down even more. Still a lot of nice bits of meat there, and then we'll use it for the steak and the stir fry. Alright guys, so we've got, it's pouring now at the moment, sorry if you can't hear me, you guys can see that. But we've got the beef for the stir fry now onto the heat. We just need to pop into the store just to grab a few things and then we'll be back. Alright guys, so we've got our stuff for the stir fry and I needed some stuff for the steak. Unfortunately they didn't have cornstarch, so we'll see how we go. But yeah, alright, so we'll quickly just check on the beef for the stir. Yep. So started it off with a bit of water because there are tendons in there and they're quite chewy, so we want to break that down first until it's nice and soft and not chewy. So once the meat starts to break down, it'll start frying, and then that's when we add in the pak choy and the noodles. But now I'm going to create the marinade for the steak. They're quite thin, but they're also quite chunky as well, so I want to give this at least half an hour before we actually start frying it. Alright, so the beef for the stir fry is beginning to fry, but the problem is it's not yet tender, so we're going to add just a bit more water. Sorry, just a bit more water, and then we'll cap it and then give it another 20 minutes. Alright guys, I think it's time to pop the steak in. The oil is nice and hot now. Look at that, steaming. Alright guys, so we will be flipping them intermittently. I think about a minute on each side, maybe 2 minutes. We just want to brown them off, pop them to the side, and then we'll add them all back in later. Right, so I placed away the first batch, just some larger ones there placed in the corner. There's uneven heating going on, so it's a lot hotter on this side and less hot on this side. So I've pulled the bigger chunks there to cook off, and then we'll place it there once it's done, and then move these larger ones towards that side, and then start adding in some more. The stir fry is coming along nice, so just waiting for it to fry, so then we can start adding in the rest of the stuff. Alright, she's beginning to fry, so we just add in the garlic. I think I may have left it too long in the water. The beef is falling apart, but that's why I wanted to fry first, so that it solidifies. But it should be okay. We'll just brown it a bit. Right, so we've just added in the pak choy, and now all that's left is the noodle, so we're just going to let this cook first to make sure that all the water from the pak choy goes out into the stir fry, and then we add the noodle to reabsorb that moisture. Alright, so you see that moisture there that's coming out of the cabbage. This is why we add noodle, is to reabsorb that. Smako ay ele ivelan me ile salo ay ko kamiki guys. Alright guys, so we finally finished with the steak. We're going to add it back in, add a bit of the slurry from the marinade, and then we're going to let it simmer. Now we let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes. Should be all done now. It's looking real good. Alright guys, so just waiting on our plate now. My sisters, my wife's sisters and kids have arrived, so we're having tonight together today. We're gonna get our plate and I'll show you guys the results. Alright guys, so we finally got our plate. I'm very excited to show you guys the results now. There are a couple of things on the plate that wasn't shown in the video, but I'll tell you as we go along. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the plate now. Starting on this side, we've got our beef stir fry with pak choy and Maggi noodles. We've got our rice here. Now I'll tell you why we got the rice is because the kids love rice as well. So we did the rice, especially me, because whenever I make steak, I like it with a bit of rice. Got our steak here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that shine. So nice. And then we've got bovi masima here. I think that was brought by my sister-in-law, my wife's sister. And then we've got our taro. So yeah guys, looks super yum. How about that for Sunday tonight? The only thing missing is an egg, sunny side up. We're missing an egg, but yeah, really enjoy it. I think we're gonna have tonight with the family, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's episode. You know, I really appreciate it, the support from you guys. You know, everyone here at the house, wife and kids, all of us really appreciate that you guys tune into our channel every Sunday, and we really appreciate the support, guys. But we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. If you've enjoyed today's content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share our channel. Have a blessed week, and we'll see you guys soon.